So, good morning, boys and girls. Q here. It's a little chilly. It's about 50 degrees. And I'm wearing my reading glasses, and that's actually a very bad idea. So, let me put those away. I do apologize for any inconvenience. Let's see if this microphone cord will stretch far enough. Also, this watch is too big. It's bothering my wrist. So, I'll put the watch in here. We'll put the reading glasses in here. Yeah, I've been riding with just this drop-down visor. Hello. Which is actually pretty cool. I don't know why, but somehow my eyes are good enough I can see my dashboard without the reading glasses. So between the visor and nothing, I'm good. So let's try this again. It's 59 degrees. It's been getting chilly around here. After living here for 3 days, 3 years, I'm a southerner, guys. 59 degrees is cold as far as I'm concerned. But I thought I'd go find some dirt, and it's been very windy here lately, but it's not too bad today, so maybe we'll get the Skydio up, do a little dirt riding, work on those skills. And that's about it. I've been still shopping for motorcycles, just, you know, incessantly. I can't help myself, and you know, I'm just looking at everything. I was looking at the Honda NC750, for God's sakes, and I don't know why. You can't take that thing off-road. And it doesn't have much weather protection. I think my dream bike right now would be the new Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. That looks like it's got everything in the world I could possibly want. And I'm also very interested in the BMW GS, what is it? Is it an 850 now? I'm not so sure. Not the big 1200, but the parallel twin. And that looks like it's got every doodad in the world. My seat, my Mustang seat from my Kawasaki Versys finally showed up with a passenger backrest, so I'm gonna start taking my wife on short rides with that. Honestly, it's the only reason I have the Versys, is to take her on rides. Otherwise, I would sell that and probably this, and probably buy that dream adventure bike. It's so funny. I've gone from being a total Harley boy to kind of a, you know, a fast bike guy, sport touring, but all kinds of cruisers. And I always thought the old men on adventure bikes looked kind of doofy and wasn't even motorcycling somehow. Well, guess what? I'm one of those old men who wants a doofy adventure bike. So, boys and girls, as always, a bit of a faff to get Skydio up. But I think she's got me. Says it lost the subject, which is not good. Beacon disconnected. So it's back on the road there, lost. I put the beacon in here. It says it's looking for it. Whoa, easy. Where the fuck are you going, boy? There you are. Wow. That's kind of exciting. So yeah, Skydio lost me. Now I had the beacon in that backpack, and I wasn't going that fast, but it lost me for sure. So where the hell do I put the beacon now where it won't lose me? I don't know. That's kind of a problem. Kind of a problem all of a sudden. I can't ride around hanging onto it with one hand. I don't have a little compartment here. I could hope that it'll work if it's in this pocket and I don't lose it, but not so great. So it's right out in front of me now, which is kind of fun. Pick up the speed a little bit. Come on, Skydio, get out there. That's doing pretty well. Whoa, it's a big bird. Whoa, it just went right over my head. Why did it do that? What's going on, buddy? There you go. Yeah, it's definitely having trouble with the tracking. Not gonna like this much. So that was definitely a little sketchy there with Skydio. It lost me as flying around, but again, thank God this thing has the obstacle avoidance it does, or it would have been absolutely heart attack city, you know, if I had a $500 or $600 drone and I lost contact with it and I've got no idea where the frickin' thing is, and then the next thing you know, it's in the trees and it's broken and falling out of the sky. And so at least when Skydio loses me like it did, it's going to protect itself. It's going to avoid obstacles. So I just had to go find it, reconnect, and then land it. And I think that's enough Skydio excitement for me for one day. So it's warming up a lot, which it does here in the midday to mid-afternoon. So I took off a couple layers, and I'm just gonna go ride. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.